the ultimate how-to for applying a U.S. passport. Applying for a U.S. passport is a straightforward process, but it requires careful attention to detail. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to apply for a U.S. passport. Number 1. Determine your eligibility. Ensure you meet the eligibility criteria to apply for a U.S. passport. Generally, you must be a U.S. citizen by birth, naturalization, or derivation. Number 2. Gather required documents. Obtain the necessary documents for your passport application. These typically include proof of U.S. citizenship, such as birth certificate or naturalization certificate, proof of identity, such as a driver's license or government-issued ID, a recent passport photo, completed passport application form, Form DS-11 for first-time applicants. Number 3. Complete passport application form. Fill out Form DS-11, application for a U.S. passport. You can complete this form online or print it out and fill it in by hand. Do not sign the form until instructed to do so by an acceptance agent. Number 4. Get passport photo taken. Have a support photo taken that meets the U.S. Department of State's requirements. Most post offices and pharmacies offer passport photo services. Number 5. Make copies of documents. Make photocopies of your proof of citizenship, proof of identity, and any other supporting documents. You will need to submit these copies along with your application. Number 6. Find a passport acceptance facility. Locate a nearby passport acceptance facility where you can submit your application in person. This could be a post office, clerk of court, or other designated facility. Number 7. Schedule an appointment if required. Some passport acceptance facilities require appointments, while others accept walk-ins. Check the requirements of your chosen facility and schedule an appointment if necessary. Number 8. Submit your application. Bring your completed application form, original documents, photocopies, and passport photo to the passport acceptance facility. Present your documents to the acceptance agent, who will review them, administer the oath, and witness your signature on the application form. Number 9. Pay the passport fee. You will need to pay both an application fee to the U.S. Department of State and an acceptance fee to the facility which takes your application. To pay the separate $35 passport fee, contact your acceptance facility to learn what form of payment they will accept. Submit the check, personal, certified, cashiers, tabulars, or money order payable to U.S. Department of State. You cannot pay using a credit or debit card. Number 10. Wait for processing. After submitting your application, your passport will be processed by the U.S. Department of State. Standard processing times vary but generally take several weeks. You can check the status of your application online using the application status tracker. Number 11. Receive your passport. Once your passport application is approved and processed, you will receive your new passport by mail at the address you provided on your application form. Your passport will typically arrive in a sealed envelope, which you should not open until you are instructed to do so by an authorized individual. Congratulations! You have successfully applied for a U.S. passport. Your new passport is a valuable travel document that allows you to explore the world and enjoy international travel. Remember to keep it in a safe place and renew it before it expires to ensure continued travel success. If the video was helpful, please like it, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to stay updated. If you have questions or would like advice on any other topic, write it below in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.